Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily increase or decrease the copy quality on your Brother DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is click on the menu here. Now we need to go over to the copy and go to quality. Here we can change it from normal to best, and this is how you can easily do that. If you want to apply the best settings, click OK, and now it says accepted. So after we enter the quality again, it should be set at best, and yes, it is. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye.